My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 BMW i3. This vehicle has done just over 54,000 miles. And it has an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access media, radio, smartphone integration and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Comfort Mode, Eco Pro and Eco Pro Plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.